Now we'll go ahead and make a copy. Now, personally, I kind of prefer starting on the corner, but really it doesn't matter. Since it's a puzzle piece, you can put it anywhere on the paper. Just go ahead. I was using half of a 3x5 card to make this tessellation. Use a pencil and go ahead and trace around the edges of your pattern. I personally like using a pencil to do the beginning trace and then going over it later with a marker to make the outline really start. Remember, the main thing in the tessellation is the outline. The inside doesn't matter so much, but it should match across all your pictures. Now see how this pattern, it's easy for me to pick out the face to fit it in, so I can go ahead and do another copy here. And so you should find out that the pattern just continues to fit in all the nooks and crannies. Then I'm like, okay, let's see where this one fits next. You can see it fits on top. That's pretty obvious. And now I can see that there's a little bit of a dip there, which is fine. And it looks like I'm making a whole horde of elves, which is good. Maybe it'll be a Tolkien-esque sort of thing. Then I'll slide it down, although it's off screen. Sorry you can't see it as well right now. But I'm basically, there we go. I'm basically doing the same pattern, just doing the trace. And you can see now I think that this little extra bit that I had on my pattern before kind of reminds me of a bow. So this could be an elf archer, you know, like the Orlando Bloom character where he's carrying arrows. So here I am making the outline with the marker so you can see the pattern a little better. Your tracing doesn't have to be perfect. I know this is a hand-done tessellation. Now, to get an A, make sure that the entire paper is filled and that everything is colored in. There should be no white paper showing. Now, if you need white for a little bit of the eyeballs or something, I'm okay with that. But there shouldn't be a lot of white space. There's my arrows, you can see. Here's the hair of the hood. And we'll do a little elf ear. And so that'll be the main elf that I'll keep copying over and over again.